Hi, I'm Kandaswamy Thiru Kumar. I'm operator NY Dosas vegetarian vegan push cart in Washington Square Park, right by NYU.
Finally. Yeah, how many people are you? Six. Six? What are you getting? You have to come early this place. You come
100 miles.
People fly here. The Australian girl was here before even we opened. She was here like this.
Yeah.
When I pull the car, she's already here. What's up, man? Take it fast. I'm cooking already.
Oh, no.
Take it.
Oh, okay.
It's in NY Dosas. Can I help you? We are right now closed though. No, Sunday closed. Only Monday through Saturday, 11 to 3 is guaranteed food. After 3, lunch by chance. Yeah. Very sorry. Yeah. Masala spicy, right? Yes. We gave it to you, no? There's some grilled potato also for you guys. We are 6 people, so everybody share. Yeah, extra hot sauce on the side for you guys, okay?
Thank you so much.
No problem, guys. Thank you so much for waiting almost 2 hours.
No problem.
Yeah, thank you. Good napkin for you?
Yeah,
Thank you, sir. I started in 2001 December. I want to do something different like nobody's doing it. That's the reason I started the Indian vegetarian vegan dosa in the street. I'm the first person to start Indian vegetarian vegan dosas. So it's like first year I feel like a lot of people say it's not going to work out Indian food. In New York mostly hot dog and cheese kebab and stuff. But I never gave up. I just put all my hard work and then all the tasty dosas, sambar, chutney. That's why keep me going, you know. So I start ending up like getting New York Magazine write a big story about me in 2003, and they gave me a best street food award. So after that, a little bit more media picked up about me. They're writing stories, and become slowly famous. And then now I'm like 45 countries. I have like fan clubs, and you know people wear my t-shirt and hats. So I'm very proud and happy to do vegetarian, vegan food in the street though.
So is there any other center you have or just
Only one location, one card. I keep it simple because my fans love me. So that's the reason I didn't open a big anything, and I don't want to borrow money from somebody and listen to them. Right now I keep everything under my control, so just one card and simple everything.
That's why you can maintain quality.
Yeah.
And in which year it started?
2001 December, officially 2002. You can see the picture here. This is 2002 picture right here. Yeah.
And I mean, from which country?
Originally, I'm from Sri Lanka. I came in a lottery green card visa to the United States in 1995. Yeah, then
Initially,
third day,
it will be
yeah, very difficult. So I was doing construction work. Third day I started, you know. I never did it before, so I started learning, and then, you know, I was good on that too. And then I was working in an iron factory in a vegetarian restaurant also in Queens. Yeah.
be in New York, because when I get the lottery green card visa, out of 50 states, I can go any state I want to, but I choose New York because it's the capital of the world. Special Pondicherry, pretty spicy. Any water, soda, ginger beer? This is the first vegan dosa card in the world. You keep you healthy, I'm wealthy. That's good? Dosa is a plate made of rice and lentil. It's naturally fermented, totally gluten-free. And served with the coconut chutney and a lentil soup. Dosa give you extra flavor when you dip it and eat. This is like 4 different lentils, 3 different rice. Nobody has that. That's my grandmother recipe. We have samosas and then we have a Sri Lankan roti curry. Special Pondicherry, the most popular lunch, is a dosa with potato and vegetable. And I am helping my friends, in Dosa Hut in Flushing. You can't have everything when you come to New York, You got to slowly work hard and then you can have a good life, you know what I'm saying? The beginning when I start the card is like everything almost cost me like 13,000. I saved some money and then I got some money from the credit cards, Then I pay monthly installment, interest. 2001 December we started. Those days very tough, there's economic crisis and people, a lot of hustlers and very not that safe. You got to be ready for anything, otherwise I won't be not step into New York from Sri Lanka. There you go. New York is a very busy city, everyone running, no time for nothing. So they craving for good healthy food, That's why I started to do this,
So how old this shop is?
What?
How old this shop is? Since when you are here?
18 years I'm doing this.
18 years?
Yeah.
Same place?
Only one plate, my friend. One dosa cup. Yeah.
And basically you are from which country?
Tamil. You can see some pictures from the starting time. You can see some pictures that starting.
Yeah, I will take it.
Over here. That one.
Yeah, okay. I'll take it.
I'm going to make dosa too for you. Hot sauce everything underneath, okay? I'm going to make dosa too, so wait, don't go. This is that guy over there.
यार अभी 2 घंटा वेट करने के बाद में मिल गया है डोसा और ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है और देखते हैं मुझे प्लेन डोसा मिला क्योंकि बाकी सब लोग ख़त्म हो गया था। बहुत ही टेस्टी है। ऐसे ही लास्ट में 4-5 लोग बचे हुए थे। तो ये थी एक मुलाकात डोसा मैन के साथ में, और आई होप कि आप लोगों को ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। इफ़ सो प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द लाइक बटन एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। और फिर मिलते हैं किसी नई जगह पे नई वीडियो के साथ में। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर, सबा केयर। थैंक यू।
Yeah.
थैंक यू सर।
Thank you. Good luck. Thank you.